I say I must touch police. You know, Nigerian police, when I go outside shows, they tell them, say, Nigerian police is the friendliest police force in the world. No. Seriously, Mona, clap for them. When they say police is your friend, and then be your friend. You go overseas, somebody go take you out. You go London, you go US. Your friend go say, let's go and let's hang out, let's go drink. On a rich pub, you go the other drink. Now you go the drink, you know go the drink. Why you know the drink? He say he's driving. Drive to where? Why we come here if Nami go the drink? Say, man, my guy, you don't mess with alcohol and driving here. They'll seize your license, man. You're going to jail. I say, no get problem here. Nigerian police go leave the problem of 170 million people. They monitor who drink. Are we that idle? Are we that idle? That's we day here, kidnapping, they happen, Boko Haram, they happen. The police go just leave all these many problems. On wait for us, Oshodi, they smell our mouth. You drink. That's what they idle rich. They not get your time. You they come from club, your Hennessy under your seat, your music they loud. Officer stop you. Hey, park. You park. Now you the tell and say, oh God, don't pay. You go say, correct guy. Say as on the crew. Anything for your boys? You go bring your remaining Hennessy. Officer Mona, hold this one. Hold this money for the cigar way full out. They say, carry on, Roger. Very friendly police force. And where then they sweet me pass. Now, if you carry your case, go police for Nigeria. Abroad, I hear say your wife you go police say you rape him. I don't understand it. How do you rape your wife? Like, as you come back from work, say, Mama Nkechi, let us behave. In saying no want, you take something where you pay for the bride price. Then she go police. If na Nigeria police go start the matter, rape, you go police. Say, madam, waiting, bring you come. Say, na rape. Who do it? Say, your husband. You're married. You say, your husband rape you. How? When you see the policeman face, you go not say the case, you don't lose her. Because his expression, they say, it's not possible. Then you be single gear. You carry your own case, go. Say, I went to see this guy. Say, sister, pipe down. Write statement. Sergeant, bring paper, give him pen. Oh yeah, put on down. What you say, what happened? You went to his house. Write it now. I went to his house. He raped me. Around what time? We first went to the club, then after the club, we ended in his place. Around when? 3 a.m. You go in his house. Oh, yeah, right now. I was in his house, sir. You get house. You not go your house. You go your own. Put on there. Right at 3 a.m. I went to his house. As you reach your house, what happened? And we got to his house. I just had my shower, got it. You bath. For my house. You remove your clothes. For a bedroom. Oh, yeah, right there. A bath. When you bath finish, I lie down for bed. For guest room. No, his bed. You lie down. What do you wear? His t-shirt. You wear pants? No. You don't wear pants. For my house. You wicked. Right up.